Matt, how many meatballs can you mash into your maw?
I'm guessing 7.
Okay.
5, 9.
I don't know.
How many things can I eat, Andrew?
10.
10. All right, here it comes.
1, 2,
I don't chew any.
3,
I can chew. I just can't swallow.
4,
gross.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh, all of them.
8.
Stop it.
Sorry, Matt.
Mm.
9.
Daddy, stop it.
Is that 12?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meat juice. Daddy, put one more in. Daddy, put one more in.
What are you doing?
One more in.
Get him a paper towel.
No.
One more. Say, give
Get
him
him a
one
paper
more.
towel. Oh God, Matthew.
Use the plate.
Daddy, put one more in. One more. One more. One more. 13. Try to do 14.
You have to get Becca's age in meatballs.
14. 14. Come on. 14. 14. 14. 14. Don't blow up. 14. 14. 14. 14. 14.
Okay, guys.
He's getting
I think you
Matthew,
swallowed.
Mhm.
I saw you swallow, so you're done.
you got 12. Matt, your face is awesome.
There's ice in the middle.
All the way.
Hey, they
No,
love
they're
cooked on the
pre-cooked.
outside.
They were just frozen, so you're not gonna get like heartworm or anything.
Heartburn, maybe. 12, I think, is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got Zaya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's his age.
All right,
Tried for 14.
maybe next time. I'm gonna go to the bathroom though, so. I think we're done.
And hopefully
Are we
it's
done?
not
Yeah, we're
Okay.